Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add guests to your trips on the Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after that you log into your account, all you need to do is to go to the trip where you want to add the guests, and then as an example I'm going to this trip, and here you will find an option for guests, and basically we are going to click on it, and you are going to add the number of the guests and their type, so either they were adults, children, infants, etc. After that all you need to do is to close and then reserve. Otherwise, if you have already reserved the trip and you want to update it, all you need to do is to go to your account or profile. Then you go to trips, and here you will find the list of your trip. You click on it and you will find the editing or updating menus here. So basically you are going to search for the guest updating, and you are going to add the number of guests, and you are going to confirm and send the request of this update to the host. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.